Bro, whoever wins is gonna be lucky.
213.
Oh, fuck. Fernando? Yeah, we're here for the truck raffle of Eric's. Some light. Really finna let this truck go. He said some light. More coming soon. Eric, what you got all up in this? Some light. The 4Gs. Oh yeah, some light. That shit nice as hell when it's driving too, bro. Bro had 280 tickets and it was whatever you pull, you pay. And he sold them all, so now we're gonna find out who wins it. I bought a ticket. He bought like 3. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'll shout out your Instagram.
Nano358SS, I believe.
Hell yeah. If not, I'll put it in.
For sure, for sure.
For sure, for sure. You just like your brother in my other video. He said for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Geek just for
Yeah, he loves all that shit.
Man, they were like, oh, you have a nice truck. They were asking him, they were like, oh, you got a nice truck. I was like, Rolly was getting some play, huh?
Oh yeah.
Got to, huh? Shout out Rolly though. Somebody gonna be one lucky motherfucker. Man, bro. The 4Gs. The inside. Bro, Eric go crazy. What up, bro? I like his grill, bro.
Yeah, bro, I wanna get grill mesh too.
Wait, what kind of grill is that? Bro, whoever wins is gonna be lucky. Here's the winner right here.
Someone's blessed. The bomb, bro.
Bro got his Cadillac out. He got 4Gs on it too. Some light. Whew. Let's go see Rolly's truck. Rolly's truck. He got a. What year is it? 95. You know, some light. Woo! Codis, you know, they mentioned he making me want intros. I told my shit like it's straight. I want to get my long tube headers. And then we got my dubs. Yeah, my shit is okay. Doesn't sound the best. It's stock. It's stock, but just know I'm about to put long tube headers on it. Trucks are loud, because why? Because babies. Amen.
That's right.
Amen. Daquachi 101. I wonder how I look with this hat. But I just started wearing hats again because I'm going to grow my hair out. How do I look, guys? Forward or backwards? Forward or backwards? Backwards.
500 first. Just 10K or truck.
Huh? Ah, well. You know it's gonna be funny. My number is 4 first.
Oh, you got a box or something? Probably put the number. 140, you're out.
Pero no tan feo.
There's a bag of
Yeah. There's my number. Yeah, it's 213.
238.
Oh damn, that was close.
Her here. 240. ¿Se irán preocupados acá? 86.
Got Fernando as the cameraman too.
I don't even know, bro. I think so. 228. 214.
Oh, it's really close.
That was you?
No, 213, bro.
Estás bien mojado, ¿verdad?
Yeah. Hey.
263. Pues tú rézale mientras, rézale. ¿Está bien sudado de la frente? Dos para Texas, vaya para Texas. Gente de Texas, pues. California, Atlanta. 256.
You had different, like everybody from different states?
Maryland. 116. I got a lot of people from Chicago, too.
Oh, that's good. Sold out quick, too.
My boy Ace over there in Chicago.
I'm about nervous as hell.
176.
You said saludos to who, bro?
It's for everybody.
Everybody that purchased the ticket.
39. Especially them.
Shout out to the people who bought a ticket off, bro.
Yeah. Everybody that stayed too. 28.
And then we're gonna hit that.
142. 213.
Oh, f.
His reaction, she caught it, man.
137.
He cut.
I'm about to fire her too.
Yeah.
201.
Damn, I'm sick. It's time for me to go home.
Cancel this log out.
Cut, we done.
This bitch ain't getting it. This shit is not gonna be uploaded.
No, it's still in.
I want my money back.
Look at that, bro.
Why you gotta do them on the live like that?
2 hours later.
Last three.
Yeah, los tres.
I can tell you who they are.
No.
Am I in there?
Last three?
Huh?
I don't know, hold on.
Yeah, los tres.
You want? What? No.
Winner of $500 right here.
Winner of 500 right here.
500.
Everybody ready.
14, been gone.
266. 500.
Anybody here?
66, hold on.
Message me how do you want them? 20s, 100s, 50s. Mix.
Hold on.
All ones.
66,
500.
616.
Everybody getting $1.
Oh, that's noble. That's from the
Dogs.
yeah, the Bulldogs.
Uy, si no vino, no lo podemos repartir.
Damn. No, but he put out two.
Damn, what's this one?
Another 500.
Another 500.
Damn, I didn't know you guys got all.
Everybody on close now. This is the moment of truth. What you mean?
What is this one?
You still in it?
$500.
Oh yeah, he's still in it. They both in it. They both in it. She in it too. They both in it. Oh, y'all both in it.
Esa que está allá adentro.
Chapo también.
Still in there, Chapo?
Is that your number right here? Is that your number?
500.
¿Cuánto?
500.
Sure you in there, Chapo? What's your number?
It's on his phone.
Can't even talk.
Oh no. That 100's out already.
He ready.
Already out. 99 is out.
Oh, you want that one?
But we'll see if it is.
No,
No,
I
it
think
is.
It was already out, yeah.
100 was already out.
99. You got 500 bucks.
So 99 is Sebastian Vasquez. That's 500 bucks.
$500
I got you right now, bro.
Yeah, you're off by one.
Oh, he's here.
Hold on.
Shit. Wait, what's the last one?
All right.
Vlog, save for the vlog.
Let me spin it.
This for the
I
truck.
know if I look, but I'm not.
Se lo bueno.
Hey, this for the truck.
Mira, there's nothing in here.
None in there. This for the truck.
So yeah. For the truck or the 10K.
Truck for 10K.
There's nobody here because
Ain't nobody nervous. Oh, you scared?
19.
No.
Ah, who 19?
19.
19 is Omar Blanco.
It's the motherfucking Eagle.
So, I'll tell, hey, them 17 numbers. ¿Quién fue?
No está bien.
A ver, es everybody. ¿Qué pasó? Que estaban 24 de cerveza. Is it?
Yeah, it's you.
I don't know. What should we take?
Take the truck.
Truck?
Take the
Nah,
truck.
everybody, that's what was gonna happen though.
Take the truck.
I don't know. We're gonna just, I'm gonna sleep on it.
Now, just tell me now, whatever you want. Get the 10K.
Do the truck, do the
I know he
truck.
wants to keep the truck.
I don't know, whatever you
Nah,
got.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to sleep on it.
Number, who's 99?
Do the truck, bro.
I don't know, bro.
Why?
Ooh. I don't know. It might stay parked there. It might not. I don't know. Truck.
Truck, bro.
The kid wants the truck. Eileen's not watching.
It's the truck, bro.
It's a hard decision. Nah, I don't know. We'll decide. We'll sleep on it.
Where's that easy flex right there?
I got on my toes too. I was like this. Arturo was ready to go like, yeah!
Was it? I don't know. It's a hard
Do the truck, bro,
decision.
do the truck.
You weren't even paying attention
I
to your
wasn't paying
numbers.
attention.
Nah.
Nah, he'll keep the truck.
Here's the winner.
Winner 500.
Holding the phone the whole time.
Right.
Damn, you was nervous, huh?
We're gonna do the truck.
Oh!
¿Y la title? Oh, nah, que me la firme después. Keep it under your name.
Go swing that bitch right now.
Nah.
Right now. You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Alright,
Go hit a
come on.
donut. I never hit no donut.
Come on. Spin that bitch.
Spin that bitch.
Say, you happy as hell?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited, bro. Can't even lie.
Happy as hell.
I don't know. That's why I didn't want to buy. You see people be thinking.
Oh, come on. You nervous?
I am nervous.
Damn. Bro, you just
I'm gonna let
got
my man do it for his last. I'm gonna let him.
It's your last one?
Here, hit that donuts. Hit the donuts for it.
Ah. Hey, this your last one, bro.
Last drive.
Back up so you don't hit the rocks. Whoever's car that is. You geek! He's as nervous as hell, huh? Say, the bro was the last two. You sick?
Yeah, I'm sick.
Man, you was literally one number away. Oh yeah, look, peep his dog. Nice as hell. Really being a bad influence. Alright, my cousin about to show me what's under the hood real quick. Better say something light real quick. You gotta hit with the tap tap. Bro, you could have won this.
Could have been me, but
You would have been. Geek this.
oh, you almost had it too, huh?
Yeah, he was the last two. Ooh.
We would have took the truck with the 10K. Truck easily, yeah.
There y'all got it. Next giveaway coming soon. What's the word?
Huh? I got another one building the same motor. One a little bigger.
Hi, bro. How much is it? How much
I'm gonna
is
raffle that one too.
it? There, so you got another chance, bro.
Another chance for sure.
Save that
I'm gonna
money.
raffle that one.
Save that money for the next
Next
one.
summer.
We'll see what you're working with, though. We're gonna see what you're working with.
You finna show me some light? Some light. Forges on it. That bitch gone though. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Hold on. Come on, bro.
Hasta Nebraska y Durango, fumándome un gallo.